Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by opening the ProRAW file in Photos or a RAW-capable editor on your device, and immediately inspect the histogram to check highlights and shadows. Adjust exposure by 1/3 to 1/2 stop to recover clipped areas without crushing blacks. Once done, toggle on RAW editing so edits are non-destructive and saved in the DNG. Make sure to set white balance manually if needed. This prevents tint and keeps skin tones accurate before any creative moves. You now refine tone and color. Pull down highlights to recover detail and lift shadows to reveal texture, while tweaking contrast to preserve midtones. Use the white balance eyedropper on a neutral patch or dial Kelvin for consistent skin tones. Once done, apply selective adjustments with a brush or gradient to fix specific areas, brighten eyes or reduce sky exposure, so the whole image balances. Make sure to view at 100% to validate noise and sharpening choices. You finish by applying sharpening and noise reduction carefully. Sharpen to taste and preview at 1:1 to avoid halos, and use subtle noise reduction to keep detail. Once done, export a 16-bit TIFF or hike for archival edits, and create a JPEG copy sized for web or sharing. If you see banding or artifacts after editing, reduce global clarity or target the issue with local denoise and re-export. This fixes halos and posterization without losing the whole edit.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.